Satish's presentation. He did go through things very quickly, so I'm just going to show you an actual example or two of this in action with a fictitious business that I created. So here's the dashboard that you're going to get if you obtain the software. And we're going to go into deals first. I'm going to go into the edit button. Just my screen software is slowing this down a little bit. So this is very easy to do. You create your image and you upload it. You do your icon or your business logo. You can do that at like 100 by 100 pixels, and you can load that into the system. Let's move this up here. I think that'll work better. So you put your deal description in. You can put your details of the deal. You have an editor up here that allows you to bold, italicize, insert links, do a numbered or bulleted list. You can change the text color and the background color. So all that can be changed, kind of jazz it up a little bit. And you have when your deal expires here. You have your location. And this type of information will show up like on Google Maps. And you have your phone and your website address. And you can easily change your button colors. So if you want to make that green, you can do that. Your secondary buttons can also on. Let that save a second. Okay, so we're back, and this is what it's going to look like on the phone. So if they click here, it's going to show a map of your location. It shows, they can get directions on how to get to your business, which is nice. You can save this to their device, so they have it when they come in to see you. They can call you by clicking the call button. By hitting more, that's going to take them to your website. So we'll just click on that just to show you how that works. Right now, I just have it hooked up to Google.com. You can have that set up to your restaurant or your barbershop or whatever your website address is. I'm sure you could use your Facebook page, like your business page, whatever link you want to put in there to direct them to. If you were a restaurant, maybe a fancier place than, say, a burger joint, you could have your menu there so people could preview that. And nice thing is they can share this deal with their friends, so they can share on Facebook. Not sure why Google Plus is still there because they're no longer around, but Twitter and email. So all those components are there to help promote your business using the deal. So let's back out of that. So we've seen kind of how deals work, and that's kind of like the most basic thing you can do is a deal. Let's go back to the dashboard. Okay, next we're going to look at coupons. And the editing process is basically the same as what I showed you for the deals. Let's click on there real quick. So again, image, logo, details of the deal, a redeem code, which is important in a coupon situation, so you can know that there's some control over it. also, the nice part of using this particular thing instead of a deal is in the coupon, you're collecting customer information. So in order for them to redeem that coupon, they have to give whatever information you're asking for. So I would recommend a name, an email, and a phone. This will allow you to build a list for your business, which is really important. It allows you to send emails out to them in the future, via an autoresponder. And, they've given you this information, so it's legitimate for you to have it on a list voluntarily. And you can also put a unsubscribe link in your email, so you're CAN spam compliant. And if they don't want to get emails from you, for future deals or coupons, then they can always opt out. But it gives you a distinct advantage in marketing your business if you create a list. So this is an easy way to do it. When the deal expires, the address, again, phone number, and website. So let's show you what that looks like. So we'll go over here to the view, and this shows you what's going to look like on your phone again, or their phone. And the nice thing with this is when they hit redeem, they bring their phone in. In order for them to redeem that coupon, they have to put their information in. So we'll just type in some information here. Email address. I'm just trying to hurry things along here a little bit. And we hit redeem. Okay. And you're going to get a QR code. And you would take your phone in the camera mode, and you would just point it at this QR code. It's going to register on your camera, and you'll have a place there that you can click on the screen, and you just type in that redemption code that you set up in the beginning, and it's going to record the deal or the coupon that was used, and it's going to capture all that information they entered in, and that's all going to go and be recorded here within the software for your future use. That is basically how the coupon works. Somebody with a loud muffler going by, if you heard that. Now here's the reward system. This is really the premier thing that you can do with this, because what this does is, your coupons and your deals bring customers in. They bring maybe new customers in. The reward program is all about customer retention. So you've got a customer, they're happy with your service. They've come into your restaurant, your barber shop, your nail salon, your coffee shop, whatever it is you have. Now you can offer them rewards for coming into your business. So we're going to just take a second. Again, this screen recorder is really slowing this down. Okay, so this is again the edit function for the reward. Same deal. You can put in the details of the deal, or the details of the reward, I guess. I want to make sure being clear on that. So there's your reward information. You can set the number of visits to get the reward. You can set the interval of, if they have to wait so many days, or if they can come in, once a week, or whatever your parameters are as far as the length of time between visits. You can set that up however you like. There's your redeem code that you set up. You can make that anything you want. And there's the information again that you're capturing about the customer, when the reward expires, the location, phone, again, the website address. And I'll show you. So this would show, like, each time they come in and visit, it's going to record in the system. So let's go back to the dashboard. This is what it's going to look like on mobile. Each time they check in, it's going to bring that barcode up again. You're going to scan it again. You're going to put in that redemption code, and it's going to show up. So when they show up today, for instance, it's going to be visit 1. Next week, or whenever they come in, visit 2. At visit 3, you're going to be prompted to, give them whatever reward it is you've decided on. So that's how that works. Close that. Now, each time that's used, you can see the lead section here, it's going to record that information that you asked for. So if you've asked for name, phone number, email address, it's going to be here for your use, and you can export that to a CSV file once in a while to keep it updated. And you can use that, again, for your email or SMS text messaging or whatever way you want to reach out to your customer. So we'll go back to dashboard again. So then we have one for properties, and this is for real estate agents, and it allows them to create like a mini listing for a property, an individual property. And it makes it very convenient for the agent to share information about a particular home that they're listing. And they can also make a QR code easily for their, say, a listing flyer that is, in a box in front of the house or on a sign. People can scan that code and they'll look at this little mini listing pulled up on their phone, and they can reach out and contact you about the listing. So it's a little quick system that is a real benefit to the realtors and very simple to use. So we're going to go back one more time. There's so many things this thing does that I just want to make sure you fully see what it's capable of. So you have some additional sub things you can do, which we've already talked about: deals, coupons, rewards, properties, business cards. So with this software, you can make a business card, and you can make as many as you like. So if you say you're a realtor, you can make cards for all your real estate agents, or you can, so there's not a limitation there, I guess what I'm trying to say. And it shows you, how many views, when it was created. Again, this is the same kind of editor, so it's very simple to do. Your image, your avatar, or your logo out, and everything is editable. Again, colors, you can change buttons and everything else. So they can download your card. This is what it looks like on the phone. Now, when I did this, I had to kind of play around a little bit. My image, as far as the image size, and I did it with a background just to make it work a little bit better with the logo. If you have problems with this, I can certainly assist you in putting this together. It's not hard to do. It just takes a little bit of practice. But you can basically pretty easily design your V card And, like again, they can be downloaded. They can call you. They can go directly, link to the website, and they can share this card as well. So this makes it a lot easier if you're out at a networking event and you're talking to a lot of people, instead of trying to keep a stack of business cards in your pocket that get all bent up. A lot of times you'll hand somebody a big, mean to enter it later or to keep it in a file or whatever. It ends up getting lost, ends up getting thrown away. This way, you can save it directly to their phone, or you can send them a link via social media or email to with your business card, so they have it if they need it. So it's a nice promotional tool for you to use for your business. And like I said, it's really good if you do a lot of networking in your business. So we'll close that up. You've seen enough of my ugly mug. And next feature you have is videos. So you have a video, a page that you can put videos on. This is taking a minute. So this was a sample one I did, and I'll just show you what it looks like. Okay, that's the QR code that I made. It generates a screen recorder. That's what's slowing this thing down. It's a lot faster. So you can build a page. So again, pretty simple. So here I just put in all over my business, and you could have a page title, and then you could post a video. So it's just, the nice thing with this is you don't have to have a website. You don't have to have a page builder. Basically everything you need to promote your business is right here in this software. So it's very simple